Welcome back to the Stratos Fair. There's been a lot going on. We've been out and about driving, in the rain even. There's some exciting news from Italy, and we're off to a car show in Phoenix. Oh yes, and I got to drive a racing Ferrari 550, so stay tuned. Yes, we'll be driving the Stratos. We'll be a car show in Phoenix with more Ferraris than you can shake a stick at, and more. But first, we are just preparing for another little road trip, and while we had it here and the wheels on full lock, so I just check the kind of clearance, and there ain't a lot. So I think our new tyres are gonna be a problem on that edge, that inside edge. Yeah, because they're half an inch bigger diameter, or an inch. So radius half an inch. I think that's going to be an issue on full lock, at least. Bugger. Anyway, welcome back. Ah yes, exciting news from Italy. Yes, my good friend Angelo has taken delivery of his Strata. I'm reliably informed that this is the last Lister Bell to be delivered in kit form. A historical moment, and a historical moment for Angelo. Yes, well done, mate. If you're a regular viewer, you may remember Angelo nearly didn't get this to happen thanks to EU regulations and all that kind of BS. Anyway, he's a very determined man, and he got there. Congratulations. Well, night before I set off for Phoenix for the car show, Monkey got caught in the garage, trapped in the garage. So we have paw prints everywhere. All over it. Yeah. Which is not the best for a car show. Don't worry, we have a plan. Well, we're off to Phoenix, which I hope will be sunny. It's actually drizzling here, as you can see. I hope the windscreen wiper works. I've only tested it once. Well, kind of works. Well, this is the first. Yeah, we're driving in the rain. Windscreen wiper actually works quite well. It was badly adjusted and still is, but at least I can see out. First stop, IDR of course, and helping them get some cars down to the showground, including of course the Rambo Lambo, their LM, which has a Dodge diesel motor in it, no less. So we're getting ready for the show, taking the cars down there tonight, and I get to drive this. Yeah, how cool is that? So this is one of the racing 550s that they bought from Italy, one of 3. And it's on slicks, and I'm the only one that Mike trusts to drive a car on slicks in the wet. This should be fun. He must be mad. Well, alrighty, here we are. I've been told to wait 2 minutes and then meet Mike at the bottom of the road. So we'll do that. I won't be filming it. I think this is going to be quite enough of a handful without all that. Oh look, he's got roof vents like Stratos. Yeah, okay. Pompa. They look like they're on. And ventla or not. Here he comes. A disappointingly short clip. As I said, I didn't know it was going to happen. I wasn't ready, and it's a very short drive from IDR to Fountain Hills Showground or Park, where the car show was. So, yeah, not a lot of opportunity for video. Did the best I could. And the other little Ferrari gem about to be totally obscured by one of those Lamborghini things. Yeah, one of those. Oh, and Mike's butt. Such a pretty little car. I'll find out what it is. Oh. 2 manpower.
Still have the original engine. Okay. No good spot for that. It's gotta be a original. Okay. You hear that? Yeah. Okay. Anything you forgot to get?
So, while he tears off, let's have a look at Mr. Molesworth's Lancia Stratos. Yeah, it's got a way to go. Nice seats. And of course, the 308 motor. As you can see, engine mounts had to be fabricated, but it slots in there quite nicely. rude not to poke around, see what else they've got around here. And a Ferrari model I'm not familiar with, a 365C. More Ferrari motors lying around than you can shake a stick at, including this, actually, the Maserati 4.2 litre V8, which is what I had in my Maserati Grand Sport. And after the rain, it's getting a professional car wash by Garcia Detailing. One clean car. So here we are at the Fountain Hills Concourse in the Hills car show. Let's have a look at some photos of some of the more interesting cars that were there. Apparently there were over 1,000 cars. I have to say, of all the stands and exhibits, I think IDR had the most eclectic, interesting selection of cars. Obviously there was my Stratos, there was David's and Dominic's Escort Cosworth, David's Noble, and then Mark's Maserati Shamal, his Renault Turbo 2 and Alpine V6 Turbo, and of course the LMs, one real and one Rambo. And then I think one of the favourite cars at the show for me, actually, which is IDR's Replica Ferrari 196. The bodywork is all aluminum, built in Italy, and Jim Carpenter of IDR, that's Mike's dad, rescued this wonderful little car from a museum in California. Got it up and running again. Home again. Well, we're back from Fountain Hills in good time, actually, including 2 fuel stops, 2 hours on the dot. So that's pretty good. I don't know what Google has to say about that. We didn't win any prizes, not even only Stratos to be seen in Arizona for the last 10 years prize. But there we go. However, we did buy another project, so you can look forward to that. Yes, folks, we have a new Cafe Racer project. Oh yes, that one. Yeah, So plenty of episodes on that coming up. Well, of course, as more Stratos action, more Stratos news, hopefully more news from Italy, from Angelo and his build. Do stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe down here, and while you're down there, give the video the thumbs up. Of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.